I'm about to show you how to easily transform your Windows desktop from the usual boring Outlook to a work of art. Welcome to this channel. Let's get straight to it. First of all, we're going to tidy the taskbar. Right click on the taskbar here, go on to taskbar settings. Now we're going to disable any widget that we don't need. Okay, for example, this task view, I'm just going to disable this. Go on to search, proceed to the right side here, expand this, select hide. I'm going to close these settings. Now I'm going to start with the blur effect on the taskbar, and on the start menu, go onto your browser. As usual, I'll be leaving all the links in the description. First of all, we're going to download Windhawk. Go right here to the download icon and click on it. Now we'll go on to the next one right here. This contains the codes and the wallpaper I'll be using later on in this video. So proceed to this download icon, click on that. Now navigate to the file location. In my case, it's the downloads. First of all, we're going to install Windhawk. Double click on that. Click on OK. Next. Yes. Click on finish. Here's the home page for the Windhawk. We're going to continue on, go on to explore. And here we have many options we can choose from. The first one we're going to do is the Windows 11 taskbar styler. Proceed to details. Click on install. Accept risk and install. It's going to take a few seconds. Just wait for it. Now the installation is complete. We're going to leave it like this and we're going to head on back to the downloads. I'm going to extract this zip file we downloaded earlier, highlight on it and go on to extract all. Extract. Close this one first. Now here's the folder we just extracted from this zip file. Open up this folder. Open up this taskbar codes. Ctrl A to highlight everything. We're going to copy the content. Copy, minimize it. Go back to Windhawk. Now under Windows 11 taskbar styler, go on to advanced. I'm going to scroll down a bit here. Now here we have mod settings. I'm going to highlight on everything here. Delete the content. Now paste the one we just copied earlier. Paste and click on save. Now here we have this cool looking rounded taskbar with the blur effect. We'll go on to the next one, go back to Windhawk, proceed to explore, and this time we're going to go for Windows 11 start menu styler. Go on to details, click on install, ignore this, accept risk and install. Wait for it. And once you're done with the installation, we're going to head on back to the downloads. Okay, double click on the start menu codes to open it, highlight on everything here. Copy, minimize it, head on back to Windhawk, proceed to advanced. Under mod settings, I'm going to delete everything here. Now paste the start menu codes right here. Click on save. Go on to your start menu. As you can see, we have this unique start menu with blur effect. Head on back to Windhawk, go on to explore. Now here under Windows 11 notification center styler, proceed to details. Install it. Proceed to install it, wait for it. But this time, go on to settings. Under theme, I'm going to expand this and select translucent shell. Now proceed to save settings. Now if you go onto your notification center, you can see that this blur effect has been applied here as well. Everything is looking good, but we're not done yet. We're going to the next one. I want to change this wallpaper. I'm going to head on back to the same folder here. You can simply go onto the wallpaper, right click on it and select set as desktop background. I'm going to minimize this. This is looking good, guys. I just feel there's something missing up here. Now head on back to the browser. Now we're going to download Rainmeter. Go onto this download icon and click on it. Straight up, click on the setup. Minimize this. Okay, next, install it. Yeah, finish. Now we're going to get rid of this default theme that comes with Rainmeter. Just right click on it and select unload skin. Right click, unload skin. Do the same for everything. Right click, unload skin. Now that we have Rainmeter installed, we're going to get the Rainmeter skin. We're going to be using just one skin in this video. Head on back to the browser and this time we're going to download Droptop 4. Okay, click on the download icon. So here we have two options. Here's the free version and here is the paid version. Okay, but we're going for the free one here. Just click on get Droptop. Here it says Rainmeter must be installed, and because we just installed Rainmeter, proceed to click on I have it already. Now we're going to install the setup right here. Minimize this, select continue. Choose the language of your choice. I'm going for English, United States. Continue. Choose desktop only. Just to let you know, guys, this step doesn't work on tablet. So we have two options here. I'm going to go for the laptop. Click on that. Now proceed to Celsius. Enable this. And here, I'm going to type in New York. Continue. Click on default. Now you're going to select maybe later. Click on that. Proceed to finish the setup. Alright, so this is the Droptop 4 by default. I'm going to make some changes real quick. Click on skip tutorial, okay? First of all, go onto this Wi-Fi, right click on it. Now you're going to click on this settings icon right here and disable the show SSID in bar. Now click on your desktop. As you can see, we're just left with this icon right here, which is much better. We're going to proceed to remove any unwanted icons just to keep it tidy. Right click on any of these icons. In order to remove this messenger icon, I'm just going to go right here, left click on it, toggle this off. Okay, I'm going to do the same right here, left click on this and toggle it off. As you can see, those icons are not there anymore. I'm going to do the same for this Gmail, left click on it, toggle it off. The whole idea is just to keep it tidy with less icons. And I'm going to remove this card icon, just left click on it and toggle it off. This one, toggle it off. Okay, now we've removed the icons we don't need. Just click on any empty space here. So we're going to do something about the size of this top bar. I'm going to right click on here and go on to adjust size settings. Now here we're going to select mini 3. Click on that. Go on to any empty space here. Select restart program. Now this is much better. Again, we're going to right click on this top bar. Select Droptop settings. Proceed to set home icon. Now if you go down here, you can see we have options here. I'm actually tempted to use one of these Apple logos, but that's not what I want to do. I'm going to go down again. Feel free to explore which one of these icons you want to use. And as for me, I'm going to go all the way down here to symbols. Of all these options here, I'm going to select this Ace of Spade icon. As you can see, we have this unique icon on the left side here. I just like the Ace of Spade. So we go on to the next one. Right click on the top bar. Go on to Droptop settings. Go on to themes. I'm going to change this to macOS Sequoia. Just click on that. Just enable it on the right side here. Now choose restart program. Now we can see that it's blurry and we're not done with this yet. Go back again. Go on to Droptop settings. This time onto options. Proceed to shape. And right here, we're going to select divide bar into sections. Enable this. Click on your desktop right here. Now this is cool, but we're just going to give it one final touch right here. I'm going to head on back to the Droptop settings, go to options, and now we're going to go on to blur effect. Enable top bar blur. How cool is that? I just like the way it blends well with what we have going on down here. If you're wondering how I applied this blur effect on the File Explorer, you can check out the last video. I'm going to leave the link right here on the top right. Now you can learn how I did the blur effect on the File Explorer. And just in case you don't want this old setup anymore, you want to go back to the previous setup. I'm going to show you how to uninstall these apps. Just go onto your settings, click on apps, select installed apps, search for Windhawk. Proceed right here, click on the 3 dots. Select uninstall, click on install again. Check on this before you click on install, and this is going to remove all the settings you did with this app. You just click on uninstall and just uninstall like you would uninstall every other app. You're going to do the same for Rainmeter. Type Rainmeter and go onto the 3 dots. Now you're going to get the similar option right here to remove all the personal settings. Check on this, then uninstall. Okay, and when you do this, it's going to remove the Droptop skin as well, so everything is going to be removed. That's going to be all for now, guys. I hope you find value in this video. Do well to subscribe to this channel, leave this video a like, and also share your thoughts at the comment section. Have a nice day, guys. Peace out.